Hi everybody, this is part one of checking the fuel flow rate on a Kawasaki Ultra 300 and a 310. Today I'm going to pull the fuel hose off the fuel rail and measure the minimum amount that's required by Kawasaki over a 3-second test, and they're saying about 2.8 ounces, and I've already marked it on my container. And I won't actually put the fuel into this. I'll just use this to gauge how much I get in the 3-second test. What I will use is a 1.5 liter water bottle. Let's go up onto the ski and go through it. Just hang on. Interesting development. I'm actually doing this in reverse. I've already done the test, and I've already produced step number 1. But I was following the manual, and as you know, I'm learning and sharing. Believe it or not, the manual said, contrary to what I thought was correct, when you actually do the fuel test, you put in your key. Everybody knows when you put in your key, you can hear the fuel pump energize. Well, believe it or not, the service manual by Kawasaki for this ski tells you to put your lanyard on and push your green button, which I just couldn't believe. So in video number 1, the original one has been deleted. I mentioned that, and I've since obviously figured that out and reconfirmed with Corey. So anyways, when we do the actual test, it will be with the key only. When you plug that key in, it will energize and your fuel will come out. But let's go through that. So you know, just let me get in position. So, what we're going to do, this is your fuel hose here. This clip, I'm about to put the clip back on because I'm doing it in reverse. Anyways, I've already taken this clip off. The clip goes down there. This hose gets pulled off. There's a barb here. This is your fuel rail here. This actually moves up and down if you look here. So if you trace your hose, your fuel hose goes to your tank. We will put a container in here, a plastic container, like a 1.5 liter water bottle. I'll cut the top off. I will put the end of the hose into the water bottle. I will stuff a rag around the top of the water bottle so I don't get excess fumes. When I'm all ready, I'm well ventilated in here. Obviously, when I pull the hose off, I will have rags underneath, because when you transfer this hose over to your container, some fuel will go into the container. Go empty the container out so you get an accurate reading. Put the hose back in the container. Put your key in here when you're all ready, and it will energize for approximately 3 seconds. I did an actual count, which you'll see in later videos, and I got about 8 ounces, 7-8 ounces, so I'm good. But like I say, I'm doing this in reverse today. I've already done video 1, and we're redoing video 1 to get this right for you. Because like I say, I'm learning and sharing. And boy, if you can't believe the service manual, where are you? So anyways, this is a fuel hose. This is a fuel rail. We're going to take this hose off, have a container there, do a 3-minute test or 3-second test with the key in here, and see what we get. Okay.